Now let's try to understand finding LCM of the given four numbers. If we have four numbers and the question is specifying us to find out by the division method also, a division method is always easier, but you should know how to do it. Alright, so let's try to write, and you know how we have to represent it first. Let's write here 12 and 15 and 20 and 27, and we need to give a line like this, and this one we can give separate by comma. Now see here, we need to choose such a number, like it may be 2, the smallest one. Check whether it's by 2, or it may be 3, or it may be 5, or maybe 7, or maybe any bigger number. Alright, so choose such a number which can divide first all the four numbers. Is there any number which can divide all the four numbers? 12, 15, 20 and 27. There is no number which can divide 12, 15, 20 and 27 except one. I'm not talking about one. Right? So 2, if you divide by the 2, you can divide this 12 and 20, but not 15 and 27. Now if you divide by 3, you can divide 12, 15 and 27, but not 20. Right? And there is no more numbers, you know. If you by 4, then by 4 you can just divide this 20. By 5, if you check, you can just divide this 20. So the maximum probability has 3. This 3 can divide 3 numbers. So always see, if you have 4 numbers, then there you need to find out all the numbers, such a numbers which can divide all the 4 numbers. If not, then there should be at least such a number which can divide at least 3 of them. If not, then at least 2 of them. If not, then only 1 you need to go. So always try to find out such a number which can divide all the 4 numbers. If not, then try to find out such a number which can at least divide all the 3 numbers. So here we got one number which can divide at least 3 of them, which is 3. 3 can divide this 12, 15 and 27. So we'll be dividing first by 3. So 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 20 cannot be divided, so we'll write as it is, and 3 times 9. And again, now you can choose, is there any number which can divide this all the 4 numbers? Is there any number? 2 can divide this 4 and 20, but not 5 and 9. Similarly, if you choose 3, then 3 can divide only this 9. If you choose 5, then 5 can divide only 5 and 20. So you can choose 2 here. It is better to choose here 2. So if I'm choosing 2 here, then I'm getting here 2 times 2 and then 5 as it is, and this will be 10 and this will be 9. Alright, and after that choose another number which can at least divide this all. Alright, so again there is no such numbers which can divide these all, but yes, here 2 and 5 can divide this 2. Alright, 2 can divide this 2 and 10, and 5 can divide these 2. So you can use any one. Alright, I'm choosing 2 again. So 2 can divide this 2 times 1. Alright, and 2 times as it is, and this 2 by 5 times, and this is 9. And after that you can choose 5. So 5, 1 it is 1 1 and it's 9. Alright, and you can leave it here also, and if you want then you can go further like this. 3 times 1 1 1 3, and one more time 3 you can write 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Alright, so our LCM is now going to be 3 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 3. Alright, so it's 3 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 3. Okay, so it's going to be now 3 times 2, that's 6, 6 times 2, that's 12, 12 times 5, 60, 60 times 3, that's 180, 180 times 3, that's 540. So 540 is the LCM. So from here what we should understand, that 540 is such a number to which 12 can divide, 15 can divide, 20 can divide, and 27 can divide at the first time. So this is the smallest number among all numbers to which this all 4 set of numbers can divide. Alright, so this is LCM of these all given 4 numbers. 540 is the LCM of these given 4 numbers.